our homework and get it done. Well,
Yeah?
attempt it.
You won't.
I might.
The odds are not in your favor. Alright, 10. The absolute value of 4x plus 2 is equal to 5. So absolute value, we always have two problems. We have the positive one and the negative one. So we have 4x plus 2 is equal to 5, or 4x plus 2 is equal to negative 5.
I didn't used to like M&M's. They're so good now.
So then we just have to solve it. So 4x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 over, no it's not. I lied.
I mean,
Negative, yeah, 3, whatever. Minus, words are not working. Okay. Or x is equal to 3 over 4. And then the other one, 4x is equal to negative 7. Got that one now. X is equal to negative 7 over 4. So your solution set is negative 7 over 4 and 3 over 4. Absolute value of 2x plus 3 over 3x minus 4 equals 1. So what would I have to do with this one?
So,
multiply the top and bottom. 3x minus 4. Multiply both sides with 3x.
I have absolute value. What do I have to do?
Separate it.
Two problems. So 2x plus 3 over 3x minus 4 equals 1. And then 2x plus 3 over 3x minus 4 equals negative 1.
Now we multiply both sides by the bottom.
So that's going to give me 2x plus 3 is equal to 3x minus 4. On the other one, I can go ahead and do that step. 2x plus 3 is equal to, now I have it being multiplied by negative 1, so it's going to be negative 3x plus 4.
Now,
So go back to the left problem. So what do I have then?
well,
isn't
so
it
we don't
7
have
equals X?
What?
Isn't it 7 equals X?
yes.
Yeah, because I'm going to have negative x equals negative 7. So x equals 7. And then the other one, what do I have?
X equals 1 over 5.
X equals negative 1 over 5. So solution set is negative 1 over 5 and 7.
This is dope.
I also
Oh,
got positive.
It is positive. I see it now. Yes.
Yes!
Let's go. We finally take. Oh, we already have the lead. Never mind.
We staying in the lead.
Is it bothering anybody else that this one point is a different color?
Yes, actually, really.
Like, it would have been better, like, if we would have done, like, a pattern.
That sounds weird. So, I
Alright.
don't understand why it's not negative though. Oh, you just added random.
Because I needed to add the 3x over.
And it's in your answer still.
Thanks.
No problemo. Look, it's sticking. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Anyway, keep going.
Alright, solve each inequality. Give the solution set an interval notation.
Hopefully.
28.
No, nobody's gonna want to.
Absolute value of
Ethan's gonna end up
3x minus 4 is less than 2. What?
I said nobody's gonna end up wanting to go for forensics, and then Ethan's gonna have to.
It's
go.
bothering people that the P on the back is not capitalized. So it's like the P in practice is capitalized but not play.
What?
But that was not at all what we were talking about.
On our shirt. It's not bothering me though. I think it's how the template was, probably.
It was.
What were you guys talking about then?
Huh? I'm
All right.
to go for the forensics thing.
I set up
Oh.
this. I still have 2 problems. One's positive, one's negative, but what happens to the negative one?
Well, sign gets flipped.
Gets flipped, so
Uh-oh.
3x minus 4 is less than 2. That one stays the same. And 3x minus 4 is greater than negative 2. So 3x is less than 6. X is less than 2. 3x is greater than 2. X is greater than 2/3.
Is this one of the infinities ones?
Hmm?
Is this one of the infinity ones?
No, because x is greater than 2/3, but also less than 2, so it's going to be 2/3 less than x less than 2, meaning that when I write it, it's 2/3 to 2 for my interval notation. If it had been an or equal to problem, it would have been brackets. Just FYI. All right, 34.
Something's wrong with it.
Because you're sticking your finger in it.
No, not that. The dot came off.
Is this candy?
No, that's candle wax.
That would have been really bad if you ate it.
I have candy though.
I eat a truffle.
Yeah, what kind do you want?
You know, I think I can eat those Snickers. But I probably shouldn't.
Probably not the day of Stonebridge. What kind?
But I want candy.
Then get a lollipop.
White chocolate?
If there's any. If not, I'll get white chocolate.
Gotta be all complicated. Do you have any more candy, Hogan? I'm thinking I've eaten it all.
I have your bunny grams.
Not the bunny grams.
All right, so what do I need to do first with this problem? Separate it. Well, no, I need to do, well, I can do something else first before I
Distribute.
separate it.
PEMDAS.
No, you can simplify.
Darn it.
You can make it,
Oh,
nothing.
we can
The
divide
5
by
goes away and
both
make it a 2 on the right.
Divide by 5 on both sides first.
Darn it. I love PEMDAS.
Okay. Now we can separate it.
Ooh, baby.
X plus 1 greater than 2. X plus 1 less than negative 2. So notice this last one started out as less than, which going back to our chart, said that it was going to be in the middle. This one's greater than, so it's going to be going outside. So this one's going to be the one with the infinities in the union.
Oh, fun. Okay.
So x is greater than 1. X is less than negative 3. So negative infinity to negative 3, union 1 to infinity. Probably.
She rarely misses a game. Hopefully a lot of people come tonight.
Blue out.
I didn't even bring blue.
What?
I'm gonna have to go home during 7. I didn't get the blue though. For some reason I didn't think we had to wear blue because we were playing. And I forgot my pink scrunchie, so. But I should probably wear white tonight.
Please do. All right,
I might
44.
wear white even during the pink out, because that's important.
Maybe just wear both.
Like interchange them together.
Yeah, like tie them both on.
All right, we'll try it.
All right, 44. 8 minus 3x
Old concept.
minus, sorry, that's in the absolute value. Minus 3 equals negative 2.
3x minus
I'm gonna
3.
prove myself alive to present forensics today.
Oh!
Literally in front of the entire class.
What?
There's literally 19 people in there, and I have that kind of.
Literally just look at Miss Marshall.
I don't even
That's
know
what
my information.
The Hugheses said they think of when we keep saying that we're having a blue out tonight.
What?
A blowout. Who said that?
The Hugheses. They're like, can we please call it a what did they call it? A blue emphasis?
What? That's
Blue.
stupid.
I can't remember what it is. It's whatever Virginia Tech calls it when they have. Oh, effect. A blue effect.
Are they coming tonight?
Miss Hughes has been
I don't know. Well, it's supposed to be
calling
for soccer too, and Steve
Oh,
kind of missed
shoot,
that part
I
of
really
the
have to go home
memo.
and get a blue shirt. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought first of all, I just thought it was for our team.
I really
So I was like,
did
oh,
too.
we're gonna be playing. We don't need blue.
Well, they did a blackout last night, so last minute. I don't know why. they
Didn't
did a
tell
blackout.
anybody. All right, how do I solve this one?
All right, so add 3 to the other side.
There was no hyper on it. 3x equals.
I also usually only do them for teams that are going to be like close games.
For like every game the rest of the season. Oh my gosh, Hampton Christian beat Greenbrier.
Portsmouth beat Greenbrier. Is that what you're talking about?
And Hampton Christian. Hampton Christian beat Greenbrier in the 5th set the other night. Isn't that awful? And they're ranked for state.
If something is okay, this is a really stupid question. So if a negative is divided by a negative, that makes it a positive, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And what you told us yesterday is not what the thing says. Something changed. Grace is still second.
It's not what I was told on. I'll tell you after I turn this off.
Okay, they're really spying on us.
All right,
We're
8 minus
watching our
3x
college
equals
algebra.
1.
Math.
8 minus 3x equals negative 1. Negative 3x equals, was that negative 7? Negative 3x equals negative 9. Sorry guys, I'm jumping back and forth. This is like my thought process. It's just all over the place.
X equals, okay, on the right, X equals 3. And I don't know about the left. X equals, divide by negative 7/3. Oh, okay, we go. How many more do we have?
Oh wait, we need to write it in the other notation. Well,
Oh gosh.
I mean, if y'all are good, we can stop.
I'm good.
Honestly,
To be
it's-
honest, I'm good.
If we're content, we can stop. Let me do one more.
Oh my gosh, you say that every time.
No, because it's a less than or equal to, so I just want to make sure that we see the way that we write the answer. And
Thank
then
you.
64, absolute value of 3x plus 2 is less than or equal to 0.
I'm rocking with all the 4s. Sorry, but like I really am.
So 3x plus 2 is less than. Oh, I don't know what to do actually.
So wasn't it just the same thing?
We can't have like positive or negative, so we're just going to write it once.
Oh. Okay.
So 3x plus 2 is less than or equal to 0, so we just
Add
have to solve
2,
it.
I'm minus 2.
So
3x
3x is less than or
My
equal
mom's
to negative
fine
2.
lunch.
Divide by 3, divide by 3. X is less than or equal to negative 2/3. That's the answer.
Yep. So negative infinity to negative 2/3, and it's a bracket because it is or equal to.
And you're right. I'm gonna look over my forensics project.
All right, so
I hate this.
It's just anxiety and like you can't.
problems.
Nobody say nothing.
We won't lie.
I swear I will.
It's okay.
They'll be worse. Elijah probably didn't even do the project, so
17,
that was mean. But I'm dead serious.
33,
Is he even here?
I don't think so.
37,
3s and 7s.
49, and 55. I'll be nice.